Hello, my name is Sienna Mastroviti. I am a sophomore from St. Xavier High School. Today I will speak about the effects of marine oil on aquatic plants. What a greasy situation. Oil spills are a major problem throughout the world. They contaminate all different bodies of water and have a negative lasting effect on marine life. There are millions of gallons of oil spilled every year, polluting the water with harmful and deadly chemicals. Although some species are able to recover from these spills, they still cause a great amount of damage to the aquatic ecosystems. Marine oil causes great damage to plant and animal life. One of the most commonly used brands is Quicksilver 4-stroke marine engine oil. It is very difficult for this oil to be removed naturally from bodies of water. This is because of its chemical composition. It contains harmful chemicals including petroleum and mercury. Java ferns, scientifically known as Microsorum pteropus, are semi-aquatic plants that are found in southeastern Asia. They grow on other plants and materials including tree trunks and rocks. There are three main components to the Java fern: the leaves, roots, and stems. The Java fern is a common aquarium plant because it is easy to maintain. In my experiment, there are 5 groups with three Java ferns in each. Each group received the same amount of water, sunlight, sand, and rocks. This experiment was set up on the windowsill to have access to sunlight. The amount of marine oil added to each container increased from 0 milliliters to 20 milliliters. I predicted that the greatest amount of marine oil added would cause the greatest amount of damage. Let's see what happened. As a result, Group 1 showed little to no signs of decay. The plants remained healthy throughout the experiment. The plants in Group 2 had little brown coloration on the tips of the leaves. Overall, the plants still looked healthy. In Group 3, there were slightly more brown spots and some roots were found detached from the rest of the plant. Group 4 showed more signs of decay. There was even more brown coloration on the leaves. Some roots were found detached and one leaf even fell off towards the end of the experiment. Finally, Group 5 experienced the most decay. It had the most brown areas and many roots detached from the plant. One leaf also fell off. Here are some pictures from day 1 of the experiment. We can see that all plants look healthy and no oil was added yet. On day 9, there were brown areas on the leaves in Group 5 of the experiment. Small amounts of brown spots began to appear on the leaves of Group 3 and 4 as well. On the final day of the experiment, day 18, you can see that the oil caused the most damage to the plants in Group 5. This graph taken from trial 1 of the experiment shows the average plant height of each group. As you can see, Group 5 shows the greatest decrease in plant height towards the end of the experiment. In conclusion, my hypothesis was proven correct. The Java ferns in Group 5 decayed the most within the time period. As we can see, oil can cause a great amount of damage to plant life and growth rates. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed learning about the effects marine oil can have on aquatic plants.